Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are making crunchy coated peanuts. So I've got my peanuts here that I've washed. So you have to wash your peanuts. Take the ones that they are broken out so that you don't need all these ones in. So you take them out. So I've got salt here. I've got sugar, milk, baking powder, 2 eggs I'm going to use, and I've got all-purpose flour. And for flavor, I'm using vanilla extract. You can use anything. So to start this, when I came from work, I did wash the peanuts and leave them to dry. So you have to wash the peanuts, leave them to dry, so by the time you're ready, then it's dry. So you can see I've got the washed one in there that is washed and dry. So now I can go on with it. I'm going to add in my milk. The milk is 2 tablespoons of milk I'm using. You take some of your wet ingredients, you wet your peanuts with them, you shake it, and you take your dry ingredients. Guys, you need to fry this till it's golden brown so that it doesn't burn. You know, sometimes when you take things from the oil, it will still be cooking through. So my beautiful kings and queens, if you're new here, a very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, hi. Thank you everyone for subscribing, for liking my videos. God bless you all. I hope you take even one tip out of this video. So if you do, try this, and peace. Bye.